Hey, what is up guys, Sunny here from Team AA, and in this video we are going to review the Huawei Nova 4, which is the Huawei's response to the Galaxy A8s. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So as always, let's start from the design first. The Huawei Nova 4 comes with a punch-hole display, which is arguably the best selling point of this phone. It comes with 6.4 inches IPS LCD panel, which is not an AMOLED panel, but it still works really fine and it is really crispy and on top of the notch. As it comes with a punch-hole display, it houses a 25 megapixel front camera in the front without any kind of distortions as well. It has a USB Type-C on the bottom with a beloved headphone jack, which is really nice to see. On the right side of the things you get a power key as well as the volume keys of the phone. On the back you get to see the glass, 3D glass, and you also get to see a really good curved edges on the back, which give you a really good grip on the phone. So if you want a good design, then Huawei Nova 4 has really got it. It comes with a protective case inside the box as well as a tempered glass protector. When it comes to front camera, Huawei is not the one which is the best at it, but this time Huawei has nailed it. The 25 megapixel sensor on the front not only provides you detailed images but also give you really good shots, and it has a really good high dynamic range capabilities. Like you can differentiate between you and the sky and without any blown highlights this time, but the face beautification is as always really terrible. So I would suggest you to turn off the face beautification. Coming to the video, Huawei records only at 30 frames per second in 4K at the back camera, which is a bit of a bummer in 2019, but considering its price, won't be hurting me, and it's not always like everyone wants to get 4K 60 FPS, but it is a really missing feature. The camera on the Huawei Nova 4 has got a really good list of modes. It's got AI video stabilization, which is even better than some of the OIS I have seen on some other phones, and it also has some really night shot capabilities, which will get you a really good night image but do notice that when you capture night shots, it might get its shutter speed to 4 seconds, so you might need to wait 4 seconds before it takes a picture. Also, the fast moving objects like people can be blurred out as well. Speaking of the software, it comes with Android 9.0 with EMUI 9.0 as well, and it is really refined version of the EMUI, so you don't have to worry about a lot of bloatwares as well, and also it works really fast enough. It's like a breeze like some of the other Huawei flagships, and it is also refined, like really refined. You also get EMUI features which are missing in the stock version of Android, so that's a thumbs up. So it comes in two versions, and for the lower version it is priced at $440, at least where I live in, and for the higher version it is priced at $480, which is not a really bad price. Coming to battery life, the Huawei Nova 4 has a really good battery life. It got a 3750 mAh of battery, and it will provide you the full day usage without any kind of problems. But if you are a really heavy user, you might need to charge your phone at the end of the day, and Huawei got a solution for that too. Huawei got a fast charger inside the box, so you don't need to worry like Apple to get another fast charger. Speaking of performance, the Huawei Nova 4 has the Kirin 970, which is a really fast processor, and it is comparable to the Snapdragon 835 as well as the Snapdragon 845. It is really fast enough, and it will be a breeze for you to swipe through apps and do everything you want. The gaming on this phone is really good. Long gaming sessions playing games like PUBG Mobile works on highest graphics settings available. But do notice that you might get a OnePlus for similar type of pricing, so check out the market for more phones before you buy this one. In my final verdict, I would definitely recommend you to buy this one without any kind of doubts, because it checks all the boxes and it works really fine. And for my daily driver, I think this phone could be it, because it got everything I do need in my daily type of usage. So that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, and this was my review of Huawei Nova 4. This is Sunny from Team AA. I'm signing out. Peace out.